Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, Max and I are in a very special place. Can you see behind us?
Good morning. We are at the zoo. The sun is shining, and I am very excited to see the animals.
The zoo is a great place to learn English because there are so many different animals to talk about. Max, what is the first animal you want to see?
I want to see the big cats. Let's go to the lion enclosure.
Look, there is the lion. He is the king of the jungle.
Wow, he is very big. He has a beautiful mane around his neck, and look at his teeth.
He is sleeping right now. Lions sleep for many hours every day. Next to the lion, there is a tiger.
The tiger is beautiful. I love its orange fur and black stripes. Is it a tiger from India?
Yes, it is a Bengal tiger. Tigers are very strong and they are excellent swimmers.
Let's move to the next area. Oh, look at those very tall animals.
Those are giraffes. They are the tallest animals in the world.
Their necks are so long. Look, the giraffe is eating leaves from the top of the tree.
Yes, their long necks help them reach food that other animals cannot reach. Their tongues are very long too.
Lily, what are those animals with the black and white stripes? Are they horses?
No, Max. Those are zebras. Each zebra has a unique pattern of stripes. No two zebras are the same.
That is amazing. They look like they are wearing pajamas.
You are right. Now, let's go to the elephant house.
Oh my, the elephants are huge. Look at their big ears and their long trunks.
They use their trunks to drink water, to eat, and even to say hello to each other. They are very intelligent animals.
One elephant is splashing water on its back. It looks very happy.
Elephants love water. They are very social and they live in big families.
Lily, I hear a lot of noise. Let's go to the monkey area.
Look at them. They are swinging from the trees. Monkeys are very fast and very funny.
That small monkey is eating a banana. He is looking at us.
Monkeys are our cousins. They can use their hands and feet to climb and hold things.
I see a big monkey over there. Is that a gorilla?
Yes, it is. Gorillas are much bigger and stronger than monkeys. They live on the ground in the forest.
He looks very serious. He is eating a lot of green leaves.
Now, let's go to the water. I want to see the hippos.
The hippopotamus is very fat. He is sitting in the water. Only his eyes and ears are above the water.
Hippos stay in the water during the day to keep cool. At night, they come out to eat grass.
Look at that big mouth. He is yawning. His mouth is huge.
Behind the hippos, there are some crocodiles. Be careful, Max.
They are very scary. They have many sharp teeth and a very long tail. They are very quiet in the water.
Yes, They are predators. They wait for their food very patiently.
Let's see something more friendly. Oh, look, penguins.
I love penguins. They look like they are wearing suits. They cannot fly, but they are great at swimming.
They walk in a very funny way. Waddle, waddle. They live in cold places, like Antarctica.
But some penguins live in warmer places too. Look at them jumping into the water.
Lily, look at the sky. There are many beautiful birds.
Those are parrots. They are very colorful. They are red, blue, green, and yellow.
Can they talk?
Some parrots can repeat words. If you say hello, maybe the parrot says hello back.
Hello, parrot. He is not saying anything. Maybe he is shy.
Maybe. Oh, Max, look at the kangaroo.
He is jumping. He has a small pocket on his stomach. Is there a baby inside?
Yes, that pocket is called a pouch. The baby kangaroo is called a joey.
That is so cute. Australia has very interesting animals.
Max, I am a little bit tired now. We have walked a lot.
Me too. Let's sit on this bench and have an ice cream.
Good idea. A strawberry ice cream for me, please.
And a chocolate ice cream for me.
Today was a great day. We saw many animals. Let's review the names.
We saw the lion, tiger, giraffe, zebra, elephant, monkey, hippo, crocodile, penguin, parrot, and kangaroo.
That is a lot of new vocabulary. Friends, what is your favorite animal at the zoo?
Do you like the big animals like the elephant or the small animals like the monkey?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know which animal you think is the most interesting.
If you liked our trip to the zoo, please like the video.
And subscribe for more adventures with Lily and Max.
Learning English is more fun when we see the world together.
Every animal name you learn is a new word in your English dictionary.
Thank you for watching and listening to us today.
Have a wonderful day and see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.